So, the weather's been pretty crap the last few weeks. We've had a lot of snow, we've had a lot of rain, a little bit of sun here and there, which has been quite nice. So I haven't had a chance to go out and enjoy the bike other than just commuting to work. So one of the things I wanted to draw your attention to, especially this time of year, you're more likely to come off your bike, is the Biker Down course. Now, these are normally run by your local fire brigade or other local authority, so give it a Google and see who runs it in your area. And it's a free course, and it gives you basic how to manage a crash scene management skills. It also gives you some life support training and all the rest of it, so you know how to manage a biker who's come down, how to isolate the spine, and you know, give basic life-saving first aid until the ambulance comes, which for a lot of us who are bikers, with the spinal injuries that can occur when you come off your bike, it's something I would really suggest some of you really go and do. It's free anyway, and it's just go and have a look at it. Now, I am going to be working on, I've got a little Chinese 125, it's a KSR Works 125. I had a white one before, now I have a black one, which I swapped for the Dodgeville, which was a bad investment on my part. The Dodgeville was absolutely crap, but I got it through to MOT in the end, thankfully. So I've got to put a new fuel tank on that. There's a lot, it's been modified. The last owner thought it was some sort of gangster and modified it, and it's missing a lot of the stuff that you require for it to be legal, such as a rear reflector, number plate lights. It's got too small of a license plate, so I've got to rectify all the issues on it, get it look nice. Hopefully when summer comes, be able to sell it and make my money back that I spent on the DeVille trying to get that on the road. But I will make a review video of it. I've had a ride on it. It's got a big loud exhaust, and it's not a bad bike. It's you know, it's your typical Chinese 125 really. And also the CBF 1000, that needs a lot of the cosmetics fixed before I sell that. And then, as you know, I'm back on a TDM 900, which I've been absolutely loving. It's got a comfort seat, so we'll make another video about that. But there's a lot to be. I need to transfer a lot of my CBF onto the TDM, such as my sat nav mount and fog lights and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we got a lot to do. I just haven't been able to make videos. It's been absolutely crap weather. I'm changing jobs, which is a big change for me. I'm going to be changing careers. Yeah, so it's all a bit up in the air at the moment. I've got a lot on the plate, trying to get it down. But anyway, we'll try and get some good content out once the weather clears up. Got a GoPro for my birthday. That's always good. A GoPro Hero 5, not the Hero 6, but it's pretty good. I mean, the video at the start of this of me getting splashed by the water was on the Hero 5, and I gotta admit it's a lot nicer. It's a lot nicer than my Sony, and I've changed the location of the mount, so it's now on top of my head, so I look like a bit of a Teletubby now, a high-vis Teletubby. But as you can see, the camera angle's much better. You see a lot more with it being on top of my head. So anyway, let's get more videos out. Always, please message me with suggestions of something you'd like to see. If you want me to try out your bike and review your bike, whatever it is, let me know. I'll come on down. We'll go for a ride. Talk to me, tell me. Alright,